Lesson 2, and here we're going to have a look at the learning outcomes for this part of the course, which is called financial decision making. And the first thing I would say is that you may have financial objectives, which is a good or target pursued by the finance department or function within an organisation. So it's just a target for the finance department. Now, obviously, probably the most important target, which is why I started off with ROCE, is return on capital employed. Profit, but also have measures of profit measures, the amount of revenues which exceed the costs, and as you will find out, you'll find out exactly what profit is. Now, once you find out what profit is, you must know exactly what it means, because that really suggests that you're starting to understand what business studies is all about. And finally, you must also look after your cash, which is another thing that we'll also look into. Cash is the amount of money coming in and out of the business. And if you haven't got cash, the business can go under. And clearly, if you haven't got profit, then also the business could also go under from there. We need to make profit for 2 reasons. Number 1, it's the reward for investment. It's the reward for being an entrepreneur. But we also need profit to obviously invest in the business. And students will always get confused in this. But actually, if you're making profit, it's probably a damn sight easier to borrow money to sort out the cash flow anyway. And there are 2 big ways in which you can borrow money. If your business is quite big, is either through shares or long-term loans, and we also did that in lesson 1. Okay, but you may have a gross margin target. You start to understand that one. A net profit margin target. You may have a target for sales revenue, but also, of course, you might just have a target for ROCE as well. Okay.